Hi guys, so you can see my hair is very short. So this is my new haircut. Let me know in the comments if you like this haircut, the short one or the long one. So yeah, right now I'm going to take delicious ice cream. Yum yum. Sorry guys, I forgot you there. I was looking for you. This is Camel. Sleeping. So this video is about my haircut, and I will show you something. Yeah. So in here now I see my videos in this laptop. And here is where my sister plays. I'm in here temporarily because my mom is using my computer. Look. And this is my mom. So it's really cool in here. I like it, but in the other computer I can edit my videos and all that. So let's see.